there's a little seeds of doubt and maybe mistrust in brands that perhaps rely too heavily on
Yeah.
AI for all of their customer interactions. So, how does Sprinkler address that prediction or that coming trend?
I think sometimes, my opinion, that when people think about AI, the typical consumer, right, that has an interaction, my mind immediately goes to a chatbot,
Mm,
right? And we all know 9 times out of 10, it's an awful
right,
experience, right? You get the canned response. They don't answer the question. You can't get to somebody human. So for that, it's like, oh my, how impersonal could that have been?
right.
Right. Even if you call on the phone, there's no intelligence to it. So that may be a starting point for folks about what AI is.
Hmm.
And you just feel like a complete number. Nobody knows you. But when you really think about the power of AI, first of all, it's a human created AI. Right. Now, let's not forget, this isn't just you're opening a box and you let it loose,
Hmm.
right? There is intelligence, there is governance, there is strategy behind these AI solutions that we're certainly building, right? To enhance the customer interaction.